40 questions. Are you ready? Question number 1. Serendip, Taprobay and Ceylon are names Sri Lanka was known as. From which language is Sri Lanka derived? Is it Sinhalese? Is it Pali? Is it Sanskrit? Or is it the Yaksha Naga dialect? So if most of you are from Sri Lanka, right, I think you should know from which language your country's name is derived. The name Sri Lanka means resplendent island or beautiful island, and it is derived from Sanskrit. 81 got it correct. 6 said it was Yaksha Naga dialect. 22 said it was Sinhalese, and 23 said it was Pali. Let's see who is our first leader. Sammy is in the lead with 900 points. Hot Cocoa is in second with 870. Kill 3R or Killer 855. Batsy and Diablo are 845. We move on to question number 2. The flag you see is the world's oldest continuously used national flag. To whom does this flag belong to? This is the oldest continuously used national flag. To which of these 4 countries does it belong to? The correct answer is Denmark. This is the national flag of Denmark. I think, if I'm not mistaken, the Denmark national flag, the Danish national flag, has been in existence since 13th century. It is right now the world's oldest continuously used national flag. 117 participants got that correct. So Brazil is the 5th largest country in the world. What is the capital of Brazil? Brasilia. I'm sorry, there was a small technical issue over there, right? So the correct answer is Brasilia. 82 got that correct. 30 said Rio de Janeiro. Everyone thinks Rio de Janeiro is the capital of Brazil, but it's actually Brasilia. Let's see leaderboard. So right now we have Chewbacca. Up 90 places is Hans Waterflyer. He's the highest climber for that question. Batsy is in second place. Diablo is in third. Dumbledore is in fourth. All right, let's move on to our next question. Question number 4. At 2,524 meters, Piduruthalagala is the tallest mountain in Sri Lanka. What is the second tallest mountain in Sri Lanka? Is it Adams Peak? Is it Namunukula? Is it Kirigalpotta? Or is it Knuckles? The second tallest mountain in Sri Lanka is Kirigalpotta, right? It's not Adams Peak, it's not Namunukula, it's not Knuckles, right? It's Kirigalpotta. 90 participants got that correct. Let's see our leaderboard. Patsy is now in the lead with 3,890 points. Hasini is up to second place with 3,875. Kassapa has a streak with 4 correct answers in a row. So remember, if you answer 4 correct or more than 3 answers correctly, and if your answers are in a row, you get bonus points, right? If you read the rules and regulations, you get 500 bonus points as well, right? So a lot of points are for grabs for each question. We move on to the next question. What is the common name given to the currency used in South Korea? Is it yuan? Is it renminbi? Is it ringgit? Or is it the won? The correct answer is the won, right? Yuan, renminbi, definitely not Korean currency. Ringgit is the currency of Malaysia. The correct answer is won. 129 participants got that correct. Let's see our leaderboard now. Hasini is in the lead now with 5,165 points, closely followed by Quizzer US, Valley Boy, I hope I got that name correct, Kassapa, while Combo is the breaker. 3 players just dropped their answer streak of 3. Sorry about that. Right, so let's see how you progress. We move on to our next question. Question number 6. Angel Falls, discovered by American aviator Jimmy Angel, is the world's tallest waterfall. Where is Angel Falls located? In which country is Angel Falls located? The world's tallest waterfall. Angel Falls is located in Venezuela. 121 participants got it correct. Not Colombia, not Canada, not Uruguay. Correct answer is Venezuela. Right? While we wait for the next question, please excuse me, there might be dogs barking, there might be people shouting. I am working from home these days, right? So please excuse me for that as well. All right, let's see our leaderboard. Hasini remains in the lead just by 55 points, closely followed by Quizzer US, Kassapa and Patsy. Azri just got up 38 places after the last question. Well done, Azri. Here we go. The next question, question number 7. Which of Sri Lanka's currency notes carries an image of the Norotchole plant? Which Sri Lankan currency note carries an image of the Norotchole power plant? It's the 100 rupee note, right? I'm sure many of you have 5,000 and 1,000 rupee notes, so you don't probably look at the 100 rupee note, right? But the correct answer, the 100 rupee note of Sri Lanka carries an image of the Norotchole power plant. 65 people got that correct. And let's look at the Chamika. Well done, Chamika is up to first place, 7,760. Quizzer US is maintaining his second place, his or her. I'm assuming it's a guy. Skyforce 1 up to 7,680. An extra cover is now in fourth place at 7,500. Humanist is back with an answer streak of 3. Well done, Humanist. Let's see how we move. The last question of the first round. What is the world's largest landlocked country? What is the world's largest landlocked country? Is it Uzbekistan, Afghanistan, Kazakhstan, or Mongolia? As you know, a landlocked country is a country that doesn't have an ocean around it, right? There are no major oceans. It's just covered by land. So Kazakhstan is the world's largest landlocked country. 83 participants got that correct. Well done. 22 said it's Uzbekistan, but Uzbekistan is a doubly landlocked country, right? So in addition to being landlocked, there are some countries which are surrounded by other countries which don't have an ocean. So Uzbekistan is a doubly landlocked country, right? There are actually 2 doubly landlocked countries in the world. I'll probably ask that as a question for a future quiz, right? So I will not reveal the answers right now. Right, so Kazakhstan was the correct answer. Let's see who's in the lead. Chamika in the lead, 9,150 points. Valley Boy in second place, 8,785. Dinal in third place with 8,740. And Hamish is at 8,000, right? And 6 players have also reached an answer streak of 4 correct answers in a row. So round number 1, at the end of round number 1, Chamika is in the lead. But others, don't worry, right? Even in the last question, you can win. This is how this game is designed. All right, we move on to round number 2 of Let's Get Quizzical, Current Affairs and World Politics. Who is the current President of India? Who is the President of India? Is it Narendra Modi, Rahul Gandhi, Ramnath Kovind, or Pranab Mukherjee? The correct answer, of course, is Ramnath Kovind, right? Narendra Modi is the Prime Minister of India. A lot of people think Narendra Modi is the President. No, he's the Prime Minister of India, right? So, correct answer is Ramnath Kovind. All right. We move on. Let's see who the leaders are. Valley Boy is in the lead now. 10,155. Dinal is at 10,070. Hey Mitch is at 9,405. And Chamika is at 9,150. All right. We move on to our next question. Question number 10. Melania Trump is the first lady of the USA. What is Trump's nationality? Is she Slovakian? Is she Russian? Is she Serbian? Or is she Slovenian? Melania Trump is from Slovenia, right? A lot of people think she's from Slovakia, right? Definitely not Russian. Definitely not Serbian. Slovenia is the correct answer. So Melania Trump is a Slovenian. All right. Belly Boy is still leading. Dinal in second now. Hasini is back in the game. She's in third place right now, followed by Hey Mitch. Okay. Let's move on to the next question. Question number 11. He is the current king of Thailand. Who is he? Who is the current king of Thailand? Vajiralongkorn is the current king of Thailand. 86 thought it was Bhumibol, but Bhumibol was Vajira's father, who was the king for a long time before Vajira did. Vajira took over, right? Pol Pot was a different sort of a leader, not in Thailand, right? Akihito is the current emperor of Japan. Zanville, Very Boy is now over to 12,000 points. Dash is in fourth. Hasini is in third. Dinal is in second. Chanaka is up 22 places. He is the highest climber after the last question. Well done, Chanaka. We move on to question number 12. In terms of land area and population, what is the largest city in the world? What is the largest city in the Arab world? The correct answer is Cairo, the capital of Egypt. Let's see who our leaders are. Dash is up to second place. Hasini is in third. JE is in fourth, right? Valley Boy is still in the lead. Well done, Valley Boy. You're doing well. Next question. President Gotabaya Rajapaksa is a retired officer of the Sri Lankan Army. What rank did he hold when he retired? What did our president hold when he retired from the army? Is it Major General, Lieutenant Colonel, Sergeant Major, or Colonel? The correct answer is Lieutenant Colonel. 89 got it correct, right? 38 thought he was a colonel. No, he wasn't. 36, he thought he was a Major General. And 21 thought he was a Sergeant Major. He's the president of our country. I think we should know a little bit more about him, right? He was a lieutenant colonel before he retired from the army. Let's see. Good now. Valley Boy, Dash, Hasini, and JE are in the lead. Let's see what our next question is. Hong Kong was very much in the news before the COVID-19 struck. Who is the current chief executive of Hong Kong? Who is the Hong Kong? Is it Lucy Liu? Is it Carrie Lam? Is it Sun Chun Lan? Or is it Peng Li Yuan? Carrie Lam is the correct answer. I'm glad 90 of you got it correct. Lucy Liu is an actress, right? I think the last major movie she acted was in Charlie's Angels some time back. Right? Peng Li Yuan, the president's wife. Sun Chun Lan is also a very prominent politician in China, but Carrie Lam is the current chief executive of. Right? We move on to see who the. Hasini has now become the leader with 14,655. JE is up to second place, 13,900. Valley Boy is in third place, 13,850, and Dash is at fourth place, 13,309. Move on to the next question. Question number 15. Many believe that Greta Thunberg will soon be in the running for a Nobel Prize. What is Greta Thunberg's nationality? Greta Thunberg has been fighting for climate change, against climate change. What is her nationality? She is from Sweden. 132 got it correct. A lot of people think she's from Iceland or Germany. Her name sounds German, but she's actually Swedish. Let's see who the leaders are now after that. Hasini is in the lead, 16,055, right? Closely followed by JE and Valley Boy. And 3 players have reached an answer streak of 7. Next question. The last question, round number 2. Prince Harry was given an honorary title on the day of his wedding by the Queen. What is Prince Harry's title? The correct answer is Duke of Sussex, right? Not the Earl of Essex, not the Duke of Wales, not the Earl of Cambridge. It's the Duke of Sussex. Let's see who the leaders are. Hasini retains the lead, 17,440. JE is in second, 16,550. Valley Boy is in third, 15,605, and Charit has now come up to 15,155. So now number 3 will be questions on business and science and technology. So it will be a whole mix of questions, all right? Here we go with the 2 more questions. Right, okay, we go. Google wasn't always called Google. What was the original name of the Google project when it started in 1996? Was it the Manhattan Project? Was it the Mindy Project? Was it Backrub or was it Abracadabra? The correct answer is Backrub. Mindy Project was, all right, so the correct answer is Backrub. But you know what? Thank God they changed the name. Right? Can you imagine someone saying, okay, Shehan, can you, instead of saying, Shehan, can you Google that for me? Saying, Shehan, can you backrub that for me? So wouldn't sound too good, right? So thank God they changed it to Google. Let's see who our leaders are. Hasini remains in the lead. Charit has come up to 3rd place. All right, we move on to our next question. Where is the World Bank headquarters located? Where is the headquarters located? Is it New York? Is it Geneva? Is it Washington? Or is it Brussels? The correct answer is Washington, D.C. 56 got it correct. 51 thought it's Geneva, right? Correct answer is Washington, D.C. The World Bank headquarters are located in Washington, D.C. Okay. Question number 19. This country has been ranked as the happiest country in the world 3 times in a row. What country is the happiest country in the world 3 times in a row? Finland is the correct answer. Finland, the people of Finland are supposed to be pretty happy. So they have won, they have been top ranked as the happiest country in the world 3 times in a row. But I think people in Australia, Canada and Switzerland are also pretty happy. Right? There are people logging into this game from Australia and Canada. I think they are also pretty happy over there, right? But people in Finland are the happiest. Okay, we have Dash coming up once again, Charit and JE in 3rd and 2nd place. Hasini is still in the lead. Next question. Established in 1835, this is Sri Lanka's oldest existing group of companies. What is Sri Lanka's oldest existing group of companies? Is it John Keells, is it George Stewart's, Selinco or Cargill's? George Stewart is the correct answer. Many think it's John Keels or Cargills, but George Stewart, established in 1835, is considered to be Sri Lanka's oldest existing group of companies. Let's see our leaderboard now. Right, Scipio is now coming up. Profane is making a comeback with 3 in a row. Well done, Profane. Right. So we are actually down to a halfway mark in the quiz. Let's start the video and we go on. Known as the mayor of the internet, he is the founder of Reddit and married to Serena Williams. Who is he? So this guy is married to Serena Williams. He is known as the mayor of the internet. Who is he? Alexis Ohanian is the founder of Reddit, married to Serena Williams. Let's see who got that correct and the quickest. Hasini is in the lead by about 2,000 points. JE in second place with 21,545. Charit 19,865. Scipio 19,685. Up 15 places. Devon, well done, Devon. You're the highest climber after the last question. Well done. Question number 22. Facebook is expected to launch its cryptocurrency this year. What will its name? The correct answer is Libra, right? I'm not sure now with Corona if they'll be able to launch this cryptocurrency this year. The cryptocurrency Facebook was supposed to launch was Libra. Let's see who our winners are now. So Mad Max, well done, Mad Max. You're coming up with top 4. Scipio is in third place. JE and Hasini are battling it out to the top for the top place at the moment. Smiley and Company is making a comeback. Well done, Smiley and Company. Who is the current governor of the Central Bank of Sri Lanka? Is it Arjun Mahendran, W.D. Lakshman, Indrajit Kumaraswamy, or Arjun Aloysius? W.D. Lakshman is the central bank governor. 8 people think it's still Arjun Mahendran. 6 think it's Arjun Aloysius. And 63 think it's Indrajit Kumaraswamy. But no, after the new government changed, W.D. Lakshman was appointed as the governor of the Central Bank of Sri Lanka. Let's look at our leaderboard now. Right, Scipio is now into second. JE has dropped to fourth place. Well done, Thale. You're making a comeback with 3 in a row. Excellent stuff. Question number 24. Sri Lanka launched its first space satellite last year. What's its name? The correct answer is Ravana 1. Not Ravana, I purposely included that as the first answer. Not Agni 1, not Rama 2. Ravana 1 was Sri Lanka's first space satellite launched last year. Okay, move on to our next question. Look at the leaderboard. Hasini is still in the lead, followed by Scipio, Mad Max, and JE. Question number 25. She is the highest paid TV actress, earning an estimated 44 million. Who is she? It's the lady in the picture. Sofia Vergara of Modern Family earns 44 million US dollars annually. Not bad. Huh? Next question. Sorry. Again, look at the leaderboard. Hasini is now establishing her lead. She is probably around 3,000 points ahead of Scipio. But don't worry, right, guys? Don't worry. You can always come back. There are plenty of bonus points awarded if you get correct answers in a row. All right. Next question. He is the only writer with a Sri Lankan origin to win the Man Booker. Who is he? The Booker Prize is the most prestigious prize given to a writer. This guy is the only Sri Lankan origin guy to win, a guy of Sri Lankan origin to win this Booker Prize. Who is he? Michael Ondaatje won this prize for English patient, right? So he is still the only writer with a Sri Lankan origin to win the most prestigious prize given to a writer, right? Michael Ondaatje. Hasini maintains the lead. We have the top four retaining their positions, but it all can change. From which Asian country does the traditional art originate from? Batik Aave, මොන රටෙන්? Indonesia is the correct answer. Indonesia is the birthplace of the traditional art of batik. 93 got that correct. Well done. All right, so we have Hasini hitting 30,000 points now. All right, Adisha T, well done. You're back with an answer streak of 3 in a row. Let's hope you can maintain it. Question number 28. Who is the only person in world history to have composed the national anthems of 2 countries? He composed the national anthem of 2 countries. The correct answer is Rabindranath Tagore. He composed the national anthems of India and Bangladesh. W.D. Amaradeva composed the national anthem of Maldives. Beethoven and Mozart, I don't think they composed the national anthems, right? Correct answer is Rabindranath Tagore. 120 got that correct. Well done. Right, so top 4 is still maintaining their position, but others don't worry, right? Even if you're not shown here, I think once the quiz is over, we'll download the entire points and we'll share it among each other, all right? So don't worry about that. Next question. Who created the famous Kalani Viharaya paintings? Who created the famous Kalani Viharaya paintings? Solis Mendes, famous Sri Lankan artist, worked on the Kalani Viharaya paintings. 121 got it correct. All right, let's look at our leaderboard now. All right, so Nimsara just deposed JE into the top 4. Well done, Nimsara. 13 players have an answer streak of 3. Fantastic, excellent stuff. Hasini is still in the lead as we move on to our last 10 questions. Asandi Mitta is an award-winning movie released last year. Who was the main actress? Nilmini Sigera is the correct answer. 87 got it correct. 8 thought it was Pubi Hansamali. That's an interesting answer. 56 thought it was Anoma Janadari. 26 thought it was Gayana Sudarshani. Let's see how our leaderboard has changed now. Not changed much, right? Hasini still in the lead. Question number 31. Now we are down to the last 10 questions. Who was Sri Lanka's 3rd Prime Minister? Who was the 3rd person, the Prime Minister of Sri Lanka? Sir John Kotalawala was the 3rd Prime Minister of Sri Lanka, right? It was D.S. Senanayake, Dudley Senanayake, and then Sir John Kotalawala. Let's see our leaderboard now. Right. Hasini is maintaining her lead at 36,685. Scipio in 2nd, Mad Max in 3rd, Nimsara in 4th. Right, so we have 10 more questions to go. Let's see what the next question is. What is the highest award or title that can be bestowed? What is the highest title a Sri Lankan can ever get? The correct answer is Sri Lankabhimani. That's the highest title that can be bestowed upon a Sri Lankan. 90 of you got that correct. A lot of people have Deshamanya in Sri Lanka. Mahamanya, not the correct answer. And I'm not sure if there's even an award called Sri Paramabhisheka, but Sri Lanka Abhimani is the highest title that you can ever win, an honorary title you can ever get being a Sri Lankan. All right, 32 questions gone. Let's look at our leaders. All right, Nimsara, well done, up to third place now. Right, all can change during the last round, the sports round. Let's see who will be the winner of the inaugural Let's Get Quizzical. Which Sri Lankan bowler holds the record for the best ever one-day international figures? Who holds the record for the best ever ODI bowling figures? The correct answer is Shamin Dawaz. Well done, guys. He took 8 for 19, if I remember right, against Zimbabwe, right? Not Lasith Malinga, not Murali, not Rangana Herath. Shamin Dawaz holds the record for the best ever ODI bowling figures. Okay, let's look at our leaderboard now. Not changed. Top 4 hasn't changed. Mosby, well done. You're back with an answer streak of 3. Let's move on to the 34th question. Which country will host the next FIFA World Cup? Which country will host the next FIFA World Cup? Qatar is the correct answer. Russia was where the last World Cup was held. Well, people got that wrong. France was the team that actually won the World Cup. Australia, no, not the correct answer. Qatar will host the 2022 FIFA World Cup. All right, on to the leaderboard now. Still the same. What is the name given to the 2020 Olympic Games mascot? What is the name given to the mascot of the 2020 Olympic Games? Mirai Toa is the correct answer. All right, I just used 3 other Japanese names that that came to mind: Kanagawa, Michiko, and Fujiyama. But Mirai Toa is the name given to the Olympic Games mascot. Unfortunately, this year the Olympic Games will not happen. Hopefully, things will work out next year. Let's see who our leaders now are. Still the same. Question number 36. What is the name given to the South African rugby team? The last World Cup. What is the name given to the South African rugby team? The Springboks. Well done. 132 got it correct. The Proteas is the name given to the South African cricket team. The Pumas is the name given to the Argentinian team. Eagles, I think it's the American rugby team. Springboks is the correct answer. Hasini is maintaining her lead. 3 players just hit an answer streak of 6. Down to the last 4 questions. Which NBA team has won the most number of titles in all history? Which NBA team has won the most number of titles? The Boston Celtics is the correct answer. They have won it 17 times. The LA Lakers are very close. They are at 16. Right? Chicago Bulls have won it 6 times. And the Golden State Warriors have won it 6 times as well. The correct answer is the Boston Celtics. Okay. Not changed at all. All right. So I think we're down to the final 3 questions of Let's Get Quizzical. Let's see what our next question is. Which cricketer has scored the most number of runs in a single inning in a one-day international? Who has scored the most number of runs in a single inning in an ODI? Rohit Sharma scored 264 against Sri Lanka, and he holds the record for the most number of runs in a single ODI innings. 112 people got that correct. Well done. Okay, the lead has just gone up to 2000 now. All can change. The last two questions, if you get one wrong, you can lose a lot of points. Next question. The 2000 movie Rush was based on the life story of which Formula racing champion? The correct answer is Niki Lauda. 83 got it correct. 56 thought it was Michael Schumacher. No, it wasn't. Not Lewis Hamilton, not Ayrton Senna. Let's look at our leaderboard now. All right, so just one more question to go to complete our Let's Get Quizzical this evening. Right. In which sport did Sri Lanka first create a world champion? Which sport did Sri Lanka first create a world champion? The correct answer is snooker. M.J. Lafir became the world snooker champion during the 1970s or 60s, if I'm not mistaken. Everyone thinks we first won a cricket World Cup, but there was another snooker player who became world champion first. So we are at the end of Let's Get Quizzical. So we'll try to download the entire score sheet and then we'll try to publish it, right? Don't worry, we'll just use the nickname so no one is going to get embarrassed. All right. In third place, Nimsara, 42,795 points. In second place, Kipio. And in first, Hasini with 46,640 points. In fourth place, it's Mad Max and Chewbacca in fifth place. So well done to our winners of the inaugural Let's Get Quizzical. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed. Hope you learned something, right? Nobody's a loser, right? You all took part in this. You all learned something, right? So we'll see how you improve, right? So maybe you are 50th this week. Maybe you come up to 30th next week, right? That's how you improve in quizzes, right? So thank you so much, right? So I'll put up a recording of this hopefully on YouTube very soon. I also want to run a cricket quiz next Thursday. So any cricket fans on this can take part in that. It will be totally questions on cricket. Please do give me your feedback. I'm sure everyone has my email address as well. Please do give me honest feedback. If you want to score me, if you think I did a pretty crappy job, just let me know, right? I'm open for your feedback. If you think there are other ways that I can improve this, please let me know. As you know, it's a work in progress. I'm still learning, right? Thank you so much. Good night. And God bless you all. Take care.